Today's topic actually gonna speak about all of that. Speak about the symbols and how to give their names as a compound. If you remember in the last session, we was talking about the compound and the difference between element and compound and molecule and mixture. And we said we have many different compounds, just like inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Maybe inorganic, we said they are many. We said we have ionic, we have covalent, we have coordination, we have acid and base. طيب, I'm gonna speak about 1, 2, and 4. 3 we'll mention maybe in the next year. Okay. طيب. So now we're gonna understand the language of chemistry. Okay, your name is Khaled, so when I call you, you know your name. Okay? طيب. The elements, they have a symbols and they have a name. How can I know that? Let's see together. So of course, this that we can see everywhere, they called symbols. They are called symbols. Type. So let's see the symbols and their names. We can see here Na is sodium. So sometimes the letter, just a minute, I need the pen. Sometimes the letter can be only one letter, capital, or can be 2 letters. One is capital and other is small. Okay? So for example, I have Na in capital, A small. But if I'm speaking about oxygen, so O is O capital. If you write for me O small, so it's wrong. It's not oxygen. Okay? طيب. Now this is element. Oxygen is element, right? Sodium is element. Now I will put 2 elements together. So for example, I have something is from 1 letter. For example, I can't remember now. You know lithium? The symbol of lithium is Li. L capital and I should be small. Type the carbon is C capital. Carbon is element and oxygen is element. When oxygen combine with the carbon, I have carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide. How can I write it? C capital O small? This is cobalt. This is another element. Type, how should I write it? What do you think?
C capital and O capital?
Yes, thank you. Then I will write it's 1 or 2. So that means I have carbon dioxide, but this means I have a cobalt. تمام? Okay. طيب. We know that symbols just gonna be easy. You will see a lot of symbols while you are dealing with chemistry. So this is a small symbol meaning what is this element. I want to go in details about how they get their names. But of course, each element has its own story. طيب. And you can see we have here oxygen, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, and N for nitrogen, sodium, chlorine, and so on. Now we have some symbols. I'm not sure you know their names or not. You can write in Q&A also. As you like. You can answer the same in the QA. Okay, you can in this number 1, 2, 3. Or you can see, tell me, and we can check. Now, what did you choose? You wanted to write or speak?
I will speak.
Okay.
The first one. Aluminum.
No. It's not aluminium. This is aluminium. Al aluminium.
Okay.
Okay. Au. Look, it's Latin word, not English. So it's not starting with Au. Something is so expensive. Usually, as females, we are wearing it. Yes, gold. Au is gold. And Ag is silver. Okay?